Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Tiana the Disney Princess Cookies inspired by Disney Emoji Blitz characters. I already shared a lot of Disney Emoji Blitz character cookie video tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can check them all out. Link to the video is in the description box. With edible marker we're going to trace the outlines for our design on the cookie. Normally I would use Sweet Sugar Bell Light Brown, which is ideal for this step, but because I wanted you to really see clearly the outlines, I'm going to be using black edible marker instead. I used my chocolate chip sugar cookie recipe, and I'm decorating with fresh lemon royal icing, starting with 15-second consistency. And to get this shade, I used some brown and I added a little bit of orange until I was happy with the tone. Use your needle tool to distribute to smooth out the icing. We're going to make eyes using wet on wet technique, so I'm starting with a white dot, and then we're going to make the dot bigger. White icing should also be 15-second consistency. Then take brown royal icing and make a dot in the center like so. And then we're going to take black royal icing. And for the reflection, you just need a tiny little bit of white, and you're gonna put it on the edge of black. That's for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the tiara. I'm using piping consistency royal icing and making the veins for the leaves, and we're going to let these crust. I tinted my icing with just a touch of green. It almost appears that it's white. Once crusted, we can start working on the leaves. I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing here. If you have trouble figuring out where to pipe the second or third leaf, you can use edible marker and draw the guide. I'm gonna be doing every other leaf, and then we're gonna have to let those crust, and then we'll come back in and we'll finish the rest of the leaves. Now we're gonna have to let that crust again, which will take about 10-15 minutes, and then you can start working on the hair. Again, I'm using 15-second consistency black royal icing. Use the needle tool to smooth the icing and distribute it evenly. We're gonna have to let that section crust, and then you can add a little bit of black at the very top. And also on the other side as well. And also add the bun. Let it all crust, and then you can finish the tiara using light green royal icing. This section can be also a little thicker, like 20-second royal icing. Use your needle tool to accentuate the ends. To make the eyelashes, I'm using black royal icing, piping consistency. Make the eyebrows. Finish the hair. And with about 20-second consistency royal icing, make the mouth. And after this step, I'm going to let it dry completely, and then we're gonna finish by adding a little bit of color to the cheeks using pink petal dust and a dry food-only paintbrush. I'm also going to paint the tiara with some pearl luster dust mixed with a little bit of extract. You're gonna have to let that dry completely. If you try to add sanding sugar before it dries, the sanding sugar will stick to everything. Alternatively, you can outline with piping consistency before you add the pearl luster dust. That way you won't have to wait for it to dry completely before adding sanding sugar. I'm using light green sanding sugar. You can also use white if you don't have the green. And here is beautiful Tiana Disney Princess inspired by Disney Emoji Blitz. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it thumbs up, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.